Do you ever feel like your kitchen is always a mess, no matter how often you clean it? Don't worry, you're not alone. A well-organized kitchen saves time, reduces stress, and makes cooking more enjoyable. Today, we'll share some simple and effective kitchen organization tips to keep your space neat and functional. Before organizing, start by decluttering. Go through your cabinets and drawers, and get rid of anything you don't use. Expired spices, broken utensils, or that extra coffee mug you never touch, it's time to let them go. Keeping only what you need and love makes organizing much easier. Clear storage containers can make a huge difference. They help you see exactly what you have and keep everything fresh. Use labeled jars for dry goods like flour, sugar, pasta, and snacks. Not only does this keep your pantry tidy, but it also makes meal prep more efficient. Maximize your cabinet space by using stackable shelves and organizers. Adding shelf risers creates extra levels for plates and bowls, while tension rods help divide baking sheets and cutting boards vertically. This simple trick saves space and makes everything easy to grab. Drawers can quickly become a mess, so use dividers to separate utensils, measuring spoons, and other kitchen tools. This keeps everything in its place and makes it easy to find what you need without digging through clutter. Don't let valuable wall and cabinet space go to waste. Install hooks or a pegboard to hang pots, pans, and cooking utensils. You can also add adhesive hooks inside cabinet doors to store oven mitts or measuring cups, keeping them within easy reach. A messy fridge makes it hard to find ingredients, so organize it with bins. Group similar items together: dairy, condiments, fruits, and vegetables. Store leftovers in clear containers and label them with the date to prevent waste. This system helps keep your fridge neat and your food fresh. If you love coffee or tea, create a dedicated station with mugs, coffee pods, sugar, and spoons all in one spot. This makes your morning routine smooth and enjoyable without having to search for everything. When putting away groceries, place newer items behind older ones to prevent food from getting lost and expiring. Keeping a shopping list on your fridge or phone helps you track what needs restocking, saving you time and money. A clutter-free counter makes your kitchen look bigger and more inviting. Store small appliances in cabinets when not in use, and keep only the essentials, like a coffee maker or fruit basket, on the counter. This simple habit keeps your space looking neat and organized. Finally, set a habit of maintaining your organization. Take a few minutes each week to tidy up, wipe down shelves, and return items to their designated spots. A little effort goes a long way in keeping your kitchen functional and stress-free. A well-organized kitchen makes cooking easier and more enjoyable. Try these tips and see the difference for yourself. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more home organization tips. See you in the next video.